Lot of people, they are always afraid, what if I fail? So what? And why people fail? It's not a must that you will fail. This is because of the shiny object syndrome. What is shiny object syndrome? Today you come across one particular topic. After a few days, you come across another topic and you think this is better than the earlier, which I was thinking about. Another few days, you come across something else and you start working on that. After a few days, you come across some fourth thing and you start working on that. So that way, you will keep on jumping from pillar to post and you will never be able to achieve anything. Never. So the system, the best way, if you want to achieve success, this is a rule created by Clay Collins. This is the rule of 5 ones. You can take a snapshot or note it down. There is a rule of 5 ones. If you want to be successful in anything in the world, but since we are talking here about the online courses and coaching, so note it down. There has to be one target audience. There are 5 ones. Number one is one target audience. If you are going to cater to the salaried employees, you must focus on the salaried employees and forget about the rest of the world. If you are going to cater to students, you should focus only on the students and nobody else. If you are going to focus your target audience as female or working women, you should focus on them only and forget everybody else. If you are working or creating a course for the elderly people, forget everybody else. So you should focus on one particular audience. One particular audience. Okay. You should create one product and focus on improving and selling that one product. Okay. So first thing is audience, one target audience. Second thing is one product. Third thing is one conversion tool. When I say conversion tool means there are lots of ways and means by which you can convert a lead into a sale. Sorry. Some people do it by way of webinars. Some people do it by challenges. Some people do it some other way. Some people do it by giving free courses. So there are lots of ways. So you should use only one conversion tool. If webinars are good for you, do webinars. If physical seminars are good for you, do physical seminars, which may not be possible in present scenario, but has been there and may again start. Okay. Then traffic sources. There should be, if you are using Facebook or YouTube or Instagram or any other traffic source, you stick to one particular source at least for 1 year. And you stick to all the above four for 1 year. One audience, one product, one conversion tool, one traffic source, and all of these for 1 year. All of these for 1 year. Why say? Why 1 year? Because there is a tendency of people to keep on jumping from one topic to another topic to third topic to fourth topic. Suppose today you decide to go for the niche weight loss. Now, in weight loss, again, there are lots of sub niches. Okay. So you start working on weight loss and you create a course on that. And you expect that wonders will happen and overnight you will become rich. No, it's not possible in any niche. Whatever niche you select, you are not going to be a millionaire overnight. You cannot be, or nobody can be. Right? So you start working on that. The growth initially is at a very, very slow pace. But once you get used to it, once you get the flavor of the thing, you start working on it, then gradually, the graphs start growing up and up and up. And there will be a time when there will be exponential growth, fast growth. But you quit that particular topic before reaching that exponential growth. Then you take up something else. You start working on that. After 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you just quit that, start some third thing, some fourth thing, some fifth thing. So if you keep on jumping from topic to topic to topic, you're going to face problems. So stick to one particular niche, one target audience, one product, one conversion tool. If you are good in webinars, do webinars only. If you are good enough with one-to-one, go for one-to-one. If you are good enough on uh, calling, telephone calls, go for telephone calls. If you are good at Zoom calls, one-to-one, go for that. So whatever conversion tool suits you or is comfortable for you, you must stick to that for 1 year. There should be one traffic source and you should stick to all these things for 1 year. And above all, you should have one mentor. People keep on shifting from this one to this one to this one to this one and get confused because everybody has got their own system. Everybody has got their own style. Somebody will say, okay, you start low cost courses. Somebody else will say, you start membership sites. Somebody else will say, you go for mid segment courses. Somebody will say, okay, this is not a particular perfect niche for you. You change your niche. So you will never be able to move forward. So you follow one mentor. Okay. So if you follow all these things, definitely you are going to see exponential growth and you will be able to achieve success faster than you think. Okay. Then one of the biggest fear is, what if I fail? Biggest fear is, what if I fail? Why people fail? Suppose this is your target. This star is your target. You are here and you take a course, or your coach tells you that if you start working on this particular system, you will become successful, right? Then somebody else comes into your life and says, no, that is not the correct way. This is the correct way, go on this. Now you are confused whether to follow this one or to this one. Then somebody else comes and he says, no, this is the correct way. Somebody is successful by selling cheap courses or say low price courses. Somebody is successful by selling mid-size courses. Somebody is comfortable and successful selling high priced courses. If you keep on thinking about this and this and this and this, nobody can help you and you will never be able to succeed. So what you have to do is, you have to follow certain core principles. Just to be able to decide, you have to follow certain core principles. What are these core principles? Let's talk about them. Okay. The first principle is, help yourself first. You might have seen in the flights that when they give demo before the flight takes off, they always tell that in case of any emergency, you should help yourself first. You should try to protect yourself first, and after that, you will try to protect or help others also. Why? Because if you are not able to help yourself first, you won't be able to help others. So the first principle is that your business must give you these three things. What are the three things? It should give you income, sufficient income. It must give you freedom, and it must give you fulfillment. If your desired niche or your selected niche is able to give you all these three things, you are going to be successful. Nobody can stop you. And if the niche which you are selecting is not able to give you all this is useless. The second principle is, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be an expert. Wherever you are, start. As I told you, there are people behind you and you can always coach them. Correct? Now, Suppose there are two coaches, coach A and coach B. Correct? Coach A has got 4 degrees. He has authored 2 books. He has got a YouTube channel. He is doing podcasts also. He has got 10,000 followers and he has got 0 testimonials. Right? Then there is another coach, B. He doesn't have any degree. He has not written any books. He has no YouTube channel. He is not doing podcasts. He has got just 200 followers, but he has 20 testimonials. Now, which coach you think should people prefer? Coach A or coach B? Tell me in the chat box. Targeting audience and everything we'll be talking tomorrow, so don't bother about that, okay? Now almost everybody is saying B, 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 B. Why? Because he is doing something. So you don't require any degree or any qualification for that, for creating a course or for becoming a coach. If you can teach, if you can give knowledge, if you can impact the life of people, you are an expert. So how many of you feel now that you need not be an expert to start? Tell me. Yes, definitely. If coach A also has testimonials, you will definitely prefer him. Definitely. But as I told you, degrees and all these things are immaterial. If you can impact your students' life, if you can give them results, they get benefit from your course, they get results from your course, you are successful. Because your success is always dependent on your student's success. If your student is successful, you are successful. Now, how many of you feel that your confidence level is up and you need not be an expert? Or you say, you are already an expert. Say, I'm an expert. Say, I'm an expert. If you feel comfortable, if you feel confident, yes, I'm an expert. I'm an expert. That's good. That's the spirit, right? Initial testimonials. How to get initial testimonials? Very good question. Very good question. We'll talk about this also. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. I like the spirit. And all of you are definitely experts, right? Now, social proof. How to get social proof? You can go to get social proof like this. These are my testimonials. People have made, this person has made 1,12,000 in 10 days without creating the course. The another person has made 1,08,000 in 7 days without creating the course. And there are lots of others. Why? Because they understood the thing, they understood the process, and they started working on it. Similarly, you can get results. Initially, you will be having less number of testimonials, but if you want to get testimonials, you can start giving your coaching for free or at a lower cost, at a lower fee, with only one condition, that they should give you testimonial. Correct? If you give them free coaching or free knowledge for some time and they are getting results out of your knowledge, they'll give you testimonial. And that becomes a vicious circle. You provide them service free of cost, they give you testimonial. You provide them service, they give you testimonial. And once you have testimonials, then you can gradually increase your fees or your charges, and people will gladly buy your course or buy your coaching, because nobody actually is interested in buying your coaching. Nobody. Or nobody is interested in buying your courses. No. What they are interested in is results. They are interested in transformation. If you can transform them, if you can give them results, people will buy your course. Definitely. Nobody can stop.